It reminds me of a coffee flavored milkshake. It's a good cocktail. Welcome back to another episode of the Beginner's Bar. Scott here. Alright, so we've been to Cuba, had a tiki classic, went to Brazil, and now let's have a beach vacation drink, huh? Let's make a Bushwacker. Now the Bushwacker was actually created in, I believe it was 1975 on St. Thomas for a tourist dog, I believe. But I've heard it's a good cocktail, recommended to me by a friend of mine. Sure, let's get into it. I need 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. I am using Kahlua. Now for the cheapest ingredient, 1 ounce cream of coconut. This is just Coco Lopez. I put over the stove just to get it back to liquid form. I need 1 ounce of Creme de Cacao. I am using Tempest Fugit Creme de Cacao. Any Creme de Cacao will work. I'm just using the good stuff because, well, I got it. Now I need to grab a little bit of milk. The recipe I'm going with says to use whole milk. I don't have whole milk. I have 2%, so I'm going to use 2 ounces of milk, 2%. Now, 2 ounces of a dark rum. That's really a bad way to go about it, so just pick a rum that you like that is a darker color. Me, I'm going to use Appleton Estate Signature Blend. Tricky cork, guys. Synthetics are interesting. Now I'm going to add a cup of ice to this. I'm going to use crushed ice from the grocery store, and I'm also going to put this into the sink. Okay, about a cup of ice. Now I'm going to refasten the top to it. I'm going to give this a good blend. Outstanding. Grab yourself a balloon glass, hurricane glass. You may remember this baby from the hurricane episode. Take off the top and pour. Now the recipe says to use fresh grated nutmeg. I don't have that, I just have already ground nutmeg, so I'm just going to put that over top. That works. Take your straw, right on down, and that is a Bushwacker. Cheers. The coconut, the creme de cacao, the rum, the coffee liqueur, it all just blends well. It reminds me of a coffee flavored milkshake. It's a very good cocktail. I can't really taste the rum at all. I don't get a bite. I don't get any burning. It's a good cocktail. And I can understand why people enjoy it on resort towns. If you like the video, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. You know that. Socials down there. Personal YouTube page. Try to be there Saturday nights. So maybe we can chill out, play some games, maybe make a drink or two, and just generally have a chill time. Until the next time when I decide to go back to the beach a little bit more and have a cocktail that actually a rather well-known country singer has sung about a couple times. And until next time, thank you for watching. I'll be back real soon. This has been The Beginner's Bar.